About an issue involving handicap parking. Back with us are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here tonight.
This one's a tough question.
I know, you guys have been really thinking about this, and now it's time to put you on the spot. We'll get to the question first, and this one is from JP in Wilkes-Barre. He says, I work for a large employer, and they refuse to allow me to park in a handicap spot despite me having a handicap placard. Can they do this? Now, does he have some sort of discrimination or rights case here?
You could. I mean, if you have the handicap placard, that means that a doctor had to, you can't get that handicap placard unless a doctor has certified that you have a disability. Now, the question then becomes, if there's only one handicap spot, and there's multiple people who, have a disability, I don't know if they necessarily must reserve a spot for you. If it's open, I think they have to allow you to park there, but I don't think they have to, by law, reserve a spot specifically for this particular person. It's a little.
I think this is constrained by the ADA, and I think and it's the only couple. Again, obviously, I think we need a few more facts here. You said you're a large employer, so I'm assuming there's a lot of people at this facility. So you would think there's probably going to be more spots allocated for handicap. Yeah. So the problem's going to be, how many spots are there, and is your request of a reasonable accommodation, saying, hey, I have a placard, there's spots, should I be able to park closer? I think he wins this battle at the end of the day, but a couple more facts would be helpful.
Yeah, we really would need to know how many people work at this particular facility, how many people have a disability at this particular facility, because I think that the ADA, those rules and regulations are going to say if you have X amount of people that have a disability, certain percentage of the spots that you have in your lot have to be dedicated to them.
Do they own the lot? Do they have control of it?
Right.
And there's a couple other factors that
It seems like this is a question that is very complex, and I know if our viewers are not quite sure if they have a case or not, you could at least get them going in the right direction. How can they reach you?
Yeah, just call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com. We could do a little research, get it answered.
This was a good question. Very, it's a brain teaser. Yeah, it's a tough one. This is a brain teaser for us. Or if you have another question, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.
You got it.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law New Hotline are always open.